morning children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your grade 5 social studies teacher. By today's date 3-12-2020. Children, we are doing block 13. You know I have completed in a reader. Everything explanation part is done. Today we are going to do only S4. What is S4? Towards independence. Only written part is there. Let us take out our workbook now. Children, take out your workbook beta. Page number 26. Write today's date 3-12-2020. S4. Towards independence. See children. Fill in the boxes on the Quit India movement and India's independence. Where? Quit India movement, independence. Mumbai. When? 8th August 1942. How long? 2 years. See children, this is table format. It is very important. Quit India movement, where it took place, when it took place, and how long it took place. Causes of the event. See, during the Second World War, British forced Indians to take part in the war. The Indians refused to support the war unless they got independence. Next, fifth one in this. Sequence of event. It is there in your reader, children, this full. See, take out your reader now. See children, page number 83. From here you should write. Gandhiji raised the slogan do or die, asking people to continue fight. From here to here. You should write here beta. For 2 years. It is enough for 2 years. For 2 years. Till here you should write this full. Next one. 4 effects of the event. These effects are there in next page. Page number 84. See beta. This paragraph. 5th line beta. Before starting this you should write like this. The British decided. It is very clear, but I'll show you here. See, it is very clear in this workbook. The British decided to leave India. While leaving India, the British divided India into 2 countries. It is there here. They divided India into 2 parts, 2 countries, India and Pakistan. From here to here you should write. Before writing this, write this point, children. See here, it is very clear. I wrote here page number 84 in your reader. Okay, write point wise, otherwise you write like a paragraph. Okay, beta? Understood how to write? This is there in reader page number 84. See here, before that you write this 1 line, 2 lines, 2 points, sorry. And till here. Next is in your reader, page number 83. 4th line of your paragraph, Gandhiji raised the slogan do or die. Till next page, 2 years. Okay. With this I have completed your classwork, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.